Use-based separation in Europe. USP, in short, is funded project by CESAR. The project includes machine learning assistance and unfavorable weather conditions, such as wind. So, the machine learning engine USP-ML is developed. The flexible algorithm performs well in any setup. Also, it includes external effects such as wind. By default, the input of machine learning is spatial coordinates and 12 more parameters are available. Separation quality is measured for every drone in the system. Pairwise score shows relative separation. The normalized values change between 0 and 1. 1 means the best score while 0 means no separation. Based on the separation score, fuzzy clusters are generated. Computation continues overall possible pairs in air traffic. Fuzzy clusters aggregate to identify separation quality with near and extended neighbors. Therefore, 3 separation scores are produced. First, pairwise separation. Second, general separation. Third, local separation. Complementary scores show different aspects of separation. Local separation shows immediate dangers, and general separation shows secondary dangers. Separation scores are computed for 3 phases. First, strategical phase. Second, tactical phase. Third, summary phase. Strategical phase, route plans analysis for the best separated route. Tactical phase, continuous computation during the flight. Summary phase, at the end, performance analysis of the flights. Thank you for your time. For further information, you can contact to USP Communication Leader. And for technical questions, you can contact our experts.